This is an unboxing and information session as well as a review of the Shun Premier 10-inch chef knife. So as you can see, this is the box that it comes in. The box took a little bit of wear and tear, it looks like, in the shipping. Let's go ahead and open this. Each of these knives are handcrafted, and Shun's proprietary VG Max Super Steel allows it to take hold a precision edge. It's a breathtaking knife. It's actually quite lightweight, and its thinner blade makes this lighter than traditional European style chef's knives. It's got layered damascus, which supports the core and provides stain resistance. This one is 10 inches in length, and it has a pretty razor sharp edge, which is perfect for slicing, dicing, and chopping. But Shun's Premier Chef Knife also comes in an 8-inch length. And you can see that it has this curved belly here. And what this is great for is to allow you to gently rock through fresh herbs or spices, and allows you to produce a fine mince. It's got a hammered Tsuchime finish, which helps to reduce drag, and it also helps to prevent things from sticking on the knife as you're chopping through them. And you can see that the handle it nestles quite comfortably in the hand. It's got this end cap here, which helps with the balance and does add some decorum here as well. So this is Shun's 10-inch Premier Chef Knife. I can't wait to try it out.